In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use scopes to clean up your flows in Power Automate, a handy 2023 tutorial that's perfect for anyone looking to improve their workflow organization. Effective use of scopes can significantly enhance the readability and manageability of your flows, especially when dealing with a large number of actions. This tutorial will walk you through the simplest way to utilize scopes for this purpose. First up, let's start by adding the scope action to your flow. Begin by navigating to your flow and locating the option to add a new step. Once there, you'll want to search for scope under the control category. This step is crucial, as scopes act like containers that help group your actions together, keeping your overall flow neat and organized. It's like creating sections in a notebook for various subjects, making it easier to locate and manage information. Next, it's time to rename the scope. This might seem like a small detail, but giving your scope a descriptive name is important for clarity and organization. Click on the three dots located on the scope action and select the Rename option. Assign a name that clearly describes the actions you'll be housing within it. For example, if your scope is meant for actions related to gathering initial data, you might call it 01, Get Data. If it's for setting up variables, Initialize Variables would be a suitable name. This practice ensures that anyone reviewing the flow can easily understand the purpose of each scope without delving into specific details, promoting better collaboration and maintenance. Now, let's move on to organizing your actions within this scope. This involves dragging and dropping all related actions right into your newly added scope box. For instance, if you have actions like Get Items or Initialize Variable, you'll want to consolidate these within the same scope. Picture this step as tidying up your workspace. By grouping related tasks together, you eliminate clutter and make subsequent alterations or reviews much more straightforward. Finally, once you've put all relevant actions into the scope, it's time to collapse it. Locate the up-down arrow next to the scope's name and click on it. This action will collapse the entire group of actions into a single line, making your main flow appear much cleaner and easier to scan through. This collapsing feature is invaluable for maintaining an overview of your flow and can greatly reduce the visual complexity, especially when dealing with larger projects. And there you have it. By adding, renaming, organizing, and collapsing scopes, you bring a higher level of order, clarity, and efficiency to your Power Automate flows. Not only does this process streamline your operations, but it also fosters better communication and collaboration with your team. Thank you for watching, and may your future flows be as beautiful as they are functional.